I don't know about you, but I've wasted way too many trips dealing with leaky bottles and messy toiletry bags. So I went out and bought 5 of the most popular options claiming to be the best toiletry bag. I packed them, tossed them in suitcases, and actually traveled with them to see which ones are worth your money. Product number 1: BAGSMART Travel Toiletry Bag. When I first picked up the BAGSMART bag, the puffy fabric honestly surprised me. It's soft, almost cushiony, and doesn't feel stiff or cheap in your hands. I like that it keeps its shape even when it's empty. During my trip, the wide-open design made a real difference. I could see everything at once instead of digging around. The wet pocket came in handy after tossing in a damp toothbrush and razor. I also used it as a makeup bag one weekend, and it worked just as well. The handle feels solid and easy to grab when you're rushing. If you want a lightweight, organized bag that works for makeup and toiletries without feeling bulky, this one makes a lot of sense. That said, not everyone wants something soft and puffy for travel styles. Product number 2: EACHY Travel Makeup Bag. Holding the EACHY makeup bag, it felt more structured right away. The PU leather has a smooth finish that wipes clean easily, which I appreciated after a foundation spill. When I unzipped it fully, the flat-lay design was the standout. Everything was visible, and I wasn't stacking products on top of each other. The inner pockets kept smaller items from sliding around, and the clear brush section made grabbing the right brush quick. I used this on a weekend trip and even as a bathroom counter organizer at home. It held more than I expected without feeling bulky in my backpack. The zipper moved smoothly and never snagged. If you like a clean, polished look and want fast access without digging, this bag fits that style well. On the opposite end of the vibe spectrum, I tested something tougher and more rugged during longer trips and rougher packing situations too. Product number 3: Carhartt Durable Travel Kit. When I grabbed the Carhartt Travel Kit, it felt immediately tougher than the others. The fabric is thick and it has that workwear feel that doesn't baby your stuff. I tossed this one into a duffel bag and it handled spills without soaking through. Inside, the single main compartment kept things simple. I packed toothpaste, shampoo, and grooming tools, and cleanup was easy after a small leak. The water-resistant lining actually works, not just on paper. I like the side handle for carrying it from hotel room to bathroom. This bag doesn't try to organize everything for you, which I found refreshing. It's straightforward and reliable. If you want something durable that you don't have to worry about, especially for gym trips or rough travel, this one does the job. After that minimal setup, I switched to something much more organized and hanger-friendly for longer hotel stays and busy mornings. Product number 4: NISHEL Travel Toiletry Bag Large. When I unfolded the large NISHEL hanging bag, I immediately noticed how much it holds. Full-size shampoo and conditioner fit without squeezing, which is rare. The material feels sturdy and the seams looked well done when I inspected them closely. I hung this in a hotel bathroom, and having everything visible saved me time every morning. The clear window helped at airport security too, since I didn't have to dig. Each compartment had a purpose, and the elastic pockets kept bottles from tipping over. I liked being able to zip everything up and compress it back down for packing. The hook feels strong and didn't wobble on towel racks. If you travel longer or hate cluttered bathroom counters, this bag is a lifesaver. After using this big one, I tried the smaller version to see what you give up during shorter trips and lighter packing situations overall for comparison purposes. Product number 5: NISHEL Travel Toiletry Bag Medium. The medium NISHEL hanging bag felt like a smarter fit for shorter trips. When I held it, it had the same solid build as the larger one, just trimmed down. It still unfolded into 4 compartments, but everything felt more intentional and less bulky. I packed travel-sized bottles, skincare, and makeup, and nothing felt crammed. Hanging it up kept my counter clean, which I always appreciate. The clear section made finding things fast, especially early mornings. I liked that it packed back down easily and didn't take over my suitcase. The hook worked just as well as the bigger version. If you want organization without carrying full-size products, this is the sweet spot. It's ideal for weekend trips or carry-on-only travel. After testing all 5, it really comes down to how much you pack for different travel styles, budgets, and personal routines overall when choosing wisely today, anywhere, anytime soon. Hopefully this helped narrow down the best toiletry bag for your travel style. I've linked all 5 down below so you can check current prices and colors. If you've used any of these, drop your experience in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.